In this video, I'm going to show you how to change date format in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have this 5 sample dates in here that are in month, day, and year format. So to change this format, the first thing that you need to do is to simply select the cells with the date that you would like to change the format of. So we will be selecting this specific range in here. And after selecting, simply navigate to format, and in format, go to number. And in number, simply locate the custom date and time in here. By doing this, this will display the date and time formats that are available in Google Sheets. So as you can see in here, you can change the date format in here to year, month, and day, and also change the symbols that divides the date, which is slash to dash in here. You can also make the month into words and other formats in here that are based on your preference or based on the need. So let's say, for example, for this video, we'll be changing the date format of these dates into year, month, and day. So let's see if we will be using this one. Click apply. And now we have successfully changed the date format for this specific dates in the cell. And that's about it. That's how to change date format in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.